Okay, today I am making broccoli salad. I love it, but in the stores it's pretty expensive and it's sweet. So you need 4 cups of broccoli. Now I have a little bit more because I'm making for more people. But for a regular family, you need 4 cups of broccoli. Now let's go over here. 6 slices of bacon or bacon bits. We're going to crumble these up and we're going to get ahead and put them in the salad. You'll also need a 1/4 cup of almonds. You see I got almonds over here. Some people like to get ahead and put theirs and roasted almonds. I don't like mine roasted, so I'm just taking it out the bag. Olives is optional, black and green. I love it, so I'm adding it, but it's optional. And then you see mayonnaise. You're going to need a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Some people put ranch dressing. I like mayonnaise. Then over here you see my honey. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey. There's some mustard. Normally I do Dijon mustard, but I ran out. So 1 tablespoon of mustard. And then over there you see dry cherries. I am looking, I can't find my bag, but you can use dry cherries, you can use cranberries, you can use dry blueberries. I'm going to do cherries. And over there you see some white vinegar wine. You can use red vinegar wine if you choose to. Now, you're going to take your broccoli, you're going to cut your broccoli up, and you're not going to want it like this. Okay? You're going to want it with just the florets, more like this. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to show you when I combine everything together. Yummy, yummy. Okay, I am now adding, this is supposed to be 4 cups of broccoli. I'm doubling my recipe because I'm doing it for a bigger family. So technically it's 4 cups of broccoli. That's already in here, my broccoli florets. I'm adding my honey. It's 2 tablespoons of honey. Let me move this out the way. And this is 1. That's how honey is. Honey for the honeybees. I would add 4, but I don't like things sweet. So I'm only going to add 3, even though it takes 2 because I'm doubling the recipe. So I'm going to let that drip now. I'm doing 1 tablespoon of mustard. But because I'm doubling the recipe, I'm going to do 2. There we go. I'm going to do my wine as well. I'm doubling. That's in. You want to get ahead and add your cherries or your cranberries or your blueberries. I'm using dried cherries, a 1/4 cup. I'm doubling it, so I'll sprinkle that all around. Okay, and you'll also use a 1/4 cup of almonds, but I'm doubling that as well, so I'm gonna sprinkle my almonds in. Some in now, then I'll put some in once I stir everything up. Okay, I like olives. Not many people do, so I'm gonna put in a couple of olives, and I'm gonna cut these up into little slices like this. And I'm just gonna add a few. Add my mayonnaise, which is a cup, and because I'm doubling it, there we go with that. Broccoli salad with all the fixings. I'm gonna get ahead and serve them up in the dish so you can see. Yummy, yummy, nice and healthy. Okay, this is the end of the meal. This is the broccoli salad. This one over here is made with turkey bacon, and this one over here is got real bacon. That is the only difference. Of course, this one's got more cherries than this one. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.